Hey guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's Sonia, Vibe is Sonia, sorry, and I'm back again with another video. Guys, like I said, the next video you guys are going to be seeing 100 pieces cooking wares. Oh, and guys, this is how it is, okay? So you guys are going to be unboxing my 100 pieces varmint, my 100 pieces cooking set, high quality gifts, okay? Wedding gift. And you know why this wedding gift is so special? This one came all the way specially from all my family members, from big to small, specifically my mom's kids, okay? No cousins attached. Like, we are 6 girls and 1 boy, and this gift came all the way from that particular 6 girls and 1 boy. And it is so important to me because right now I don't know how much this thing costs, but I am so grateful, okay? So if this is the first time tuning in, please do want to subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share. Let the unboxing begin. Oh Jesus. So I think I have to cut this first because I will be using them. Guys, can you see? Can you see? Yeah. Wait till you guys are not seeing my face. Yeah, let me push it like this. Oh my god. So guys, this one was the one I unboxed earlier. Guys, this particular one is like this one is like a manual, like everything inside it, everything that is inside this particular thing, probably so that if one is missing, I don't know, okay? So but if you know about this, okay, this thing is about Zara, I think that's, yeah, I don't know, sure. So inside I get this. Oh my god. And you know the good part of this thing, this one that I'm having here is, what they call this thing, said apron. This apron, the good part of this apron is that it's like nylon. That means probably if anything is stained, I can just clean it, and it has this pocket, okay? See what they put inside this thing too. Then I have this gloves. I think this is for when I want to bring down the food. When I want to bring down food, Abby, I think I can use this glove for like oven, and this one for. See, you guys should just pity me, okay? I am a local girl, and this is some of these things that the first time I'll be using them or seeing them. Then I have this plate. In the hotel, they use this for salsa, but I don't know what I'll use this for. Please, you guys should let me know. I don't know what this is called. Let me in the comment section. Let me know what I'm going to do with this. You can help me to be counting this thing, okay? Because I said 100 pieces gifts from my beautiful, lovely family, okay? So yeah, and this is a set of, oh my god, this gift is, see guys, there's knife, there's this big butcher knife, there is some of these things I don't know how to use them, but I'll have to be browsing literally to ask people how to use them. I know that this one is actually yam peeler or potato peeler, any of the peeler. I know that this is what it is. I know scissors, I know these other knives as well, but I really do not know what this is used for, okay? So you guys know where I'll find out. And I have this small beautiful chopping board inside as well. God bless my sisters and my brothers. God bless them for me. I have this beautiful chopping board. It came inside this particular set. And where do I even start from? I have this thing. Hey God, it's not good to be local. I have this particular stuff and this this thing. I don't know. I can't lie to you guys. I will learn how to use them basically. Okay? And I like the color. So I have this whisk, egg whisk inside, and I have this beautiful set of spoons. Guys, Jesus Christ, the quality is mado. You guys are going to be seeing new kitchen utensils. The quality is mado. Ah, Jesus. When I saw these things on the carton body, I was not really, in my mind I would be like, maybe the quality is not even reach waiting there for the body. Jesus Christ of Nazareth, guys. It came with this frying pan. I don't know if this is the cover for sure, but Jesus Christ, guys. I'll keep screaming Jesus because this has cost my sister's fortune. Jesus. They have finished their money. This is the set. I think all these sets is inside this particular one. So, see what is inside, guys. I think this, okay. I know what this thing is now. Anyone I want to use, I will just change it. I can use it and do carrots. See this thing pillar. Oh my God, I'm so excited for chopping okras and different things. I know now. Oh my God. Look, I guess no good too. Hey, guys, see this one. I don't know if you guys can see very well. Different set of all this icing, decoration of cake and the rest of that. Different muscles. Because I like cake actually, but I stopped practicing. Cutlery sets. Away. Jesus Christ. See this as well, guys. Different set and different shape. This one when I have babies and I want to do different shape of something for them that they would like to eat. Like the way I used to watch Let's Make Food for Zion. I'll be doing Let's Make Food for my Kiara too. So I think this particular quality is the key. Quality is the key. Guys, see the forks. Hey, Jesus Christ. See this? I don't know if this one is plates. I don't know. Is it plates? Oh my God, I don't even see this line. Guys, Jesus Christ. Oh God. I feel like tearing up, but no. I deserve this. My sisters are the best, guys. Go and check about Zara and let me know how much this thing will cost. Hey. Jesus Christ. It has deep fryer. I think this one is the pot clippers and the rest of that. I said it. Wait first, I don't have the pipe. See this deep fryer stove? See it though. Okay, let me just keep this one first. I'll check the book and figure out how to. Jesus Christ, see. Oh, I used to see this thing from what's her name? At Daisy's space, yes. Whereby when she remove her food, she'll just drop it on this particular stove. I finally have it because I don't need to be told twice. Okay, I think this is the handle for the deep fryer. Oh, your body na convention. Your body na convention. I don't know what this is for, but to look for, to get the space. Jesus, 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 Jesus. I love to praise your name. I love to lift you high. Guys, can you see it? It's like my husband is back. Can you see it? It has this 5 mil, 40 mil, 30 mil, not mil, liter, 2 liter and 1 liter. The quality is for me. The quality is for me. Oh, this one is 2. I saw another one here. So this one is 2. This one is 2. If I cook, I drop my pot here. It's not gonna stain my cupboard. It's not gonna stain anything. About it. Hey, I beg, which family location I want to do for this one? You guys should come and start eating rice and beans. Because if I cook for you, this one is over for you people. Guys, see this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Jesus. And they all have their liters. This one 9 liter, 8 liter, 7 liter, 6 liter, 5 liter, 4 liters, 3 liter, and 2 liter. Hey, wait. Chococho. See this smaller set of this pots. Oh my god, this is beautiful, guys. This is so beautiful. In fact, I'm using them right away. Nobody should tell me anything. Nobody should tell me anything. No, this rubber band don't go hang inside. It has this time. This particular one has this timer here. Because what I... Oh, they all have... Guys, these pots, they all have this 100, 80, 60, 20, and 40. This one is 100. See? Oh my god. I didn't even know. Like, I seriously do not know that they have all this. Jesus, can your sisters and your brother ever be like mine? I have 6 sisters and 1 brother, and I am so proud, and I am the 4th born. I am the 4th born. We plenty. We plenty. Oh. See this beautiful, cute Smolly. See Smolly in the. See Smolly. See Smolly. Smolly in the house. So when I want to cook indomie for my Smolly babies. Excited. I am so excited. Right away, I am changing everything in my kitchen. Everything is saying is new, 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 new. If I broke now my business, I'ma show you go bright. Put the code for the bright. Business cake. If I broke now my business, I'ma show you go bright. But the God for the bride. Jesus. Crested about Sarah. About Sarah. About Sarah. About Sarah. Jesus Christ, guys. All these things are super, super beautiful. They are beautiful. I've started using some of this spoon. I cannot lie. You should forgive me. I think I didn't remove it. It fell off. It fell from inside, and I just decided to start using them. Jesus, wait, let me stand up. Let me stand up. Let me fold this. Sorry, guys. My sister called, interrupted. Here. I'll pack it. I want to flip this in so you guys will see this. See all of them, guys. Jesus Christ. They are so beautiful. I'm so proud. And yeah. What I want to see, guys, I am so grateful to my sisters. I am so grateful, and I am super, super excited. Jesus. Oh my God, I know that you guys always watch my videos, even if you guys really do not drop comments, because I tell people, keep dropping comments, drop comments, drop comments. If you watch my video, drop comments. But they are always watching and supporting me, and I'm so grateful for that. Sis, brother, I am so grateful. In fact, I need to call all of you name, starting from the first to the last. Auntie Princess, no, Sister Princess, Sister Naomi, Sister Josephine, then me, Sister Faith, or Sister Sonia, Sister Sarah, Sister Destiny, and Shedrack. No, Shedrack before Destiny, sorry. Destiny is the last one, okay? I am so grateful to all of you guys. You guys, it is very nice to have you guys as siblings. I'm super excited and I'm happy that you guys are in my life. Thank you so much, because even starting from my wedding, you guys have been so amazing. The preparation and everything started from you guys and it ended from you guys. I didn't really have any stress about this wedding preparation and every other stuff. I love you guys from the deepest part of my heart, and I will continue to love you guys till death do us part. I pray for long life, prosperity, success to everything we do as family. Anywhere you guys put in your hand, your post to bring out this money to buy me this huge gift, God super bless you guys, and I'm so proud of you guys, and I love it. I love it. I love it so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. You guys are amazing, okay? So yes, guys, we've come to the end of this video. Let me know in the comment section if you like this gift and which part of this gift you love so much. Is it the pot? Is it the cutlery? Is it this one? Or is it that one? You've seen all the ones that I've unboxed right now. So please let me know. And you guys will be seeing new things in my kitchen, because I am going to be discarding, be it the one I'm using when I was single, the one my husband was using, everything. We are going to be discarding them. Why am I saying discard? I'm going to like share them, okay? I'll dash them to my friends or people I probably think I'm a bit better than, okay? So I'll just dash them out so that the kitchen will not be like too bulky, because as time goes on, I wonder I'll be buying new things, small like that. I don't know if you guys get what I'm trying to say. So there's no point keeping any of them, no matter how important they are, because I want this kitchen to be new. And I'm so grateful that most of these gifts comes from the kitchen side, okay? Because it's like they know that is where I have issues. Because see, honestly speaking, I really don't know. I will tell you that I want to buy this thing, I'll put my mind there, but to plan and go and buy that particular thing is a very big stress, and which is kitchen things especially, okay? So and now I have them in quantum, in bulk, okay? Yeah, thank you for sticking I hope to the end of this video. If you've not subscribed, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share for other persons to get this good news. So with no further ado, I do like I always say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next video, because I need to start arranging this mess that I just create here before the owner of the house comes back, okay? Bye, I love you guys.